My name is Lensa. My sign name, that's my sign name. So welcome to today's class where we learn our sign language class, which we learn about alphabets. We will fingerspell our alphabet. So we can start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh, now I have taught you about finger spellings of our alphabets, okay? So now let's try and figure out this together. What was that? That was deaf. Yes. And that was health. Did you get it? Did you manage to get the last one? That was club. Thank you so much for coming to today's class. Goodbye.